So this is when you first turn it on. You can see all the mist in the air, but there's never any mist that gets anything wet. Some humidifiers I've had in the past leave puddles around it. This actually dissipates in the air. My plants really love it. As you can tell, it's like flourishing. So you have the percentage of humidity in the room. I always have mine on high because my house gets very dry in the winter. You have night mode, you have, which clears the display. If you're sleeping, you don't like lights on. And then you have like a night light for a kid, has two, a bright and a low light. You have the different modes right here. This is on auto, so it will kick on by itself and turn off by itself. You can get low, medium, high. And then in the back, there's a space right here. You push it in, and it's for essential oils. So I haven't used this one. I have two other ones that I have used. So I have 3 of these machines because they're so good. So you put a couple drops in there. And you just push it back in. It's very potent when it comes out, so you don't need a lot of essential oils, which is really good because it saves your essential oils in the long run. I would say this is a very good product. I've never had to scrub the inside or get hard water off or anything like that, and I've had this for a year now.
Un tornado.
Mantente lejos de objetos agresivos. extremely quiet. Just got this 2 days ago. Pretty good. Low, medium, high. Turn it on, turn it off. Night light. It's off now. Turn it on. As you can hear, super quiet. Also has a feature in the back where you can put aromatherapy, put the essential oils, do whatever you gotta do, but highly recommend it.